होशियार होशियार हुकम पुलिस हाय हाय हुकम पुलिस हाय हाय हुकम पुलिस वक्त हुई हुकम पुलिस ले
BOKAGHAT, Golaghat, Assam. Dated 25th of March 2024. Subject: Memorandum seeking a high-level inquiry to identify and punish the murder of late Royalson Ronghang of Kachesong. Respected sir, with reference to the subject cited above, we the people of Karbi Anglong on behalf of the family of the deceased late Royalson Ronghang of Kachesong would like to draw your kind attention that the gruesome murder that has taken place on yesterday near Kachesong under Golaghat district has shaken not only the devastated people of late Royalson Ronghang, but the entire Karbi community and the locality as well. Hence, we would like to launch our strong demand to initiate a high-level inquiry to immediately identify and arrest the culprits to provide fair justice to the victim family. The murder of such gruesome manner is never seen and heard before, as it shuddered us to think that such incident is now taking place in our locality, which is really disturbing and concerning to the common citizens of the localities, as it could happen to any member of the society in any given day. Therefore, to stop the recurring of such incident in future, so that no individuals has to lose their precious life, we strongly beseech to give the perpetrators and assailants of the crime a capital punishment, to give a strong precedent that criminal of any form is intolerable in the society and has a harsh consequence. Lastly, we seek a strong and impartial inquiry for a quick and speedy trial to deliver justice to the family of late Royalson Ronghang. NB, copy to DGP Assam for his kind appraisal, copy to SP Golaghat for his kind appraisal, and thirdly, copy to SP of Karbi Anglong for his kind appraisal. This memorandum is submitted to the officer in charge of BOKAGHAT Police Station, BOKAGHAT, Golaghat, Assam, submitted by the Karbi Students Union, the Karbi Students Association, Daithor United Women Society, 26 number Dwarbaguri BJP Mondal Committee, and 26 number Dwarbaguri BJYM Committee.
Signature hala. Sekian signature and then no guy. You get to look at the picture of the pigeon. Bali Palisi Bala, Polo, La Panta. Receive back. That's why you know it's same.
Xin lỗi em đang BOKAGHAT.
Lại xin lỗi, làm bằng tiếng lắm rồi. Là bà hả?
Là ini tiếng lắm rồi.
Ana sih, soalnya itu makin dalam.
Cho mà.
Hàng đây hả? Có là phía dưới sẽ tha sắp thôi.
Tục.
Side nó thay đấy hả?
Boleh arpan ni. Tolong lah.
We want justice. Assam police काम नहीं Assam police काम नहीं Assam police काम नहीं Assam police होशियार Assam police होशियार Assam police काम नहीं We want justice We want justice No justice No justice No justice
Nono ko ke tha information da velang hai police pen modalam ke la postmortem kuri det la pen magistrate sumwang ji ansi ajaro report ta kaduk aveda kangni sar atumta laso report sing hong prong lo mate ko son si claim mima ko son si kedam mima dang dari bom lo la pen ili sidame mo pen chethan teng lo rap do nang po mane information do bate itumta ing hon do nang po rap do nang po
We want justice
Nasila la justice ko lati kai na me chesong po la pen ke long ve ji ini ke theta to katli tang bang justice long ve ji ko si ni ke pame
Assam police होशियार
do ala hengki la pen check la kam si claim nasila ke claim aju po jerti an si kame bang lang po ko pia information si kama ko nasila chetong ma la hai la chuki che khan si na pen e complaint ni alam mang ke la sar do man than nei information ni dak si ke chetong po se me ang ton si than nei detail si than nei ko men tu report si ke bang ma sub jury long si sa ke jo najat po la tum chilang pet si sa ke jo policy la tum ka do ve la dak si doji alam mang ke la ka pe body mana